Nicolaas Kruger was appointed Chief Executive Officer of Momentum Group, later listed Insurance Group MMI Holdings in 2009. Mr. Kruger is also a fan of the life outdoors and spending time and interacting with nature, though instead of doing this the traditional way, Mr. Kruger achieves this by spending time on his farm in South Africa. I would like him to come up on stage now and share his vision for the partnership with Aditya Birla Group. Please welcome on stage, ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Nicolaas Kruger, CEO of MMI Holdings.
Thank you very much, Shibani, and good evening to you all, ladies and gentlemen. In the province of KwaZulu-Natal in South Africa, the Zulu greeting is Sanibonani. Literally, that means, I see you. And that serves to acknowledge and affirm the humanity of the people you are greeting. It seems an appropriate greeting for tonight, Sanibonani. It is truly a privilege for me to be here tonight to talk to you. India has an enchanting and alluring aura that has captivated me over the past few years. And the spectacular ambience this evening only serves to enhance these feelings for me, as we celebrate such a momentous event. I feel a deep sense of pride and excitement here tonight. I'm proud that the seeds that were planted by MMI almost 6 years ago have started to grow. But I'm also very, very excited that this evening marks the beginning of a partnership that will nurture and grow a business that combines the strength of two great companies, but also two great nations. As you heard in the video, MMI is very passionate about championing financial wellness, particularly in developing countries. India was therefore a natural extension for us, and we believe India is particularly well positioned for the future because of three reasons. Firstly, the high growth economy, the favorable demographics, the young average age, and the large population. In fact, the whole of India, the population is larger than all the countries in Africa combined. As a result, India has a large potential target market with a developing wellness affinity, with record level annual growth for private health insurance and wellness as an industry. MMI's desire to invest in India for the long term started as far back as 2008. After the worst of the financial crisis was over, towards the end of 2010, we seconded a small team to India. They were briefed to do extensive research about the opportunities in the market. And in fact, they concluded that the preferred entry strategy for MMI is health and wellness, because there's a key need in India. And secondly, this matched MMI's financial wellness purpose and our deep capabilities in the health and wellness space. After concluding on this aspect, the next step was to identify a reputable partner with a trusted brand, who shared our commitment for client centricity and our passion for creating healthier communities and nations through the focus on wellness. And throughout that process, we found the perfect partner in the Aditya Birla Group. You would agree with me, this group is very strong and reputable, and a trusted player in many diverse industries, particularly also in the financial services industry. And I must say, MMI is extremely pleased that we have been able to conclude the joint venture agreement with Aditya Birla. There's a strong commonality in values between MMI and the Aditya Birla Group, driven by our shared vision of helping create a healthier India. And we've also reached this exciting milestone today, the launch of Aditya Birla Health. The South African private health system serves around 16% of the South African population, but it is considered to be one of the most innovative industries in the world. In particular, customer experience and wellness aspects have resonated extremely well with the customers in South Africa. Some examples of innovations include outpatient treatment cover, electronic cashless settlement of over 90% of claims, immediate pre-authorization for hospital admission, disease risk management, provider management, and then also activity management. Ajay referred to the complex regulations in South Africa that requires guaranteed acceptance at the same premium for all clients, irrespective of health status or age. And this necessitated a radical new approach. To not only survive, but to thrive, we had to innovate quickly to adapt to this major regulatory shift in the market. Our most impactful innovation was our Multiply incentivized wellness program, which helped drive behaviors needed for a healthier client base. At MMI, we are extremely proud of our Multiply business, which is one of our 4 customer-facing brands. And it is most probably the most compelling reason for our involvement in this joint venture with the Aditya Birla Group. We have successfully and extensively integrated Multiply into a number of South African business lines, including health insurance, life insurance, general insurance, but also corporate retirement funding. We've done extensive analysis of the data of Multiply clients versus non-Multiply clients, and this has highlighted a few key aspects. Firstly, the Multiply program keeps people healthy, with on average a 23% lower hospital claims. Secondly, the Multiply program keeps clients happy, with a 10% better persistency, which increases to as much as 40% for members who are highly engaged in the program. And then last but not least, the Multiply program is successful in changing customer behavior. For instance, the program has helped to get a 40% of the obese members to reduce their weight to a lower, healthier BMI band. For those of you who have not visited the beautiful South Africa, you may be interested to know that South Africa has the largest settlement of people originally from India in a single country outside India. And this city is in fact Durban in the KwaZulu-Natal province. This means that we have a wealth of data as MMI because many of these people are our customers. And even though there are differences between the population groups, the similarities give us a great head start to bring something really exciting and revolutionary to India. So allow me to conclude with a word of thanks. Firstly, a big word of thanks to Mr. Birla, and then also to Mr. Ajay Srinivasan. Thank you very much for your kind words as well. And then also a word of thanks to the rest of the Aditya Birla Group for believing and supporting the establishment of this great and innovative new business. Let me also take the opportunity to congratulate the CEO of Aditya Birla Health, Mr. Mayank Batwal, and his team, many of them here tonight. I wish all of you the very best in your future endeavors. And then also a special word of thanks to the MMI people who work behind the scenes, both here and back in South Africa, to make this business a reality. So, ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of MMI, we really look forward to walking this path with you on this exciting journey as we work to grow and enhance the wellness of all the clients in India. Thank you very much.